Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use timer to time your presentations on Canva. So I'm just going to add in like a quick presentation tab here. Apply all 11 pages. Then I'm going to select the duration of the presentation here and see they're kind of like 5 seconds each. You can adjust like how many seconds you want this to be to like, I guess, organize your time. Then show timer, and for instance, they all add up to around 5 minutes. If they don't, just add it or subtract it. Then you're going to start the timer. There's going to be the timer music. You can select that, and you can also select the volume of the timer. I'll do like 1 minute and see if it actually just like will do the 5 minutes one, because I don't think I have the sound on, so I can't hear the timer anyways. So play it and start your presentation. Here you can be like, hey guys, this is our pitch prepared by Warner and Spencer. I don't know who that is, but once you're done, the timer will go off, and just keep talking throughout your presentation. So that's how you can kind of prepare for your presentation on Canva. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.